Hi students, how are you? I hope all are fine and doing good. Stay at home and be safe. Wash your hands often. Eat healthy food. Today we are going to see the lesson Prose 1 The Nose Jewel, written by C. Rajagobalachari. Chakravarti Rajagobalachari was an Indian politician, independent activist, lawyer, writer, historian, and statesman. He was born in the village of Thorapalli in the Krishnagiri district. He was the last Governor General of India. He was the first Indian born Governor General, since before him the posts were held by British national. He also served as leader of the Indian National Congress, Minister of Home Affairs of the Indian Union, and Chief Minister of Madras State. Before going into the lesson, we will have some warm up. Here, some birds' pictures they have given. What qualities we can take from the birds? That's what we are going to see. First of all, they have given pigeon, time conscious. The quality which we take from the pigeon is time conscious. Lesson that we can learn from the bird: be on time to school. Cock. Cock is a bird. It used to crawl in the morning. The day is dawn. So get up everybody. Like that it gives the remembrance. So we can take the qualities from cock: arise and awake. Next, grow. Grow is unity. Peacock, beautiful. Eagle, focused. Quill, melodious. Like that we can take some qualities from the birds. Another example also we can tell that ant. Ant used to store the food for the rainy season. During summer season it used to carry the food and store in their holes. Ramaya was a simple man living in a town. He lived with his wife in a nice house made of tiled roofs. He was not rich, but he could take care of his family. Two sparrows built a nest in the roof of Ramaya's house, and the mother bird laid her eggs in it. The male sparrow asked the question to the female, "Why does the lady of this house always quarrel with her husband?" For that, the female sparrow answered, "How I am to know? Let us mind our own business." For that, the male sparrow answered, "You are always thinking about yourself only. You are not thinking of others. So, we should not be like that. We have to help the family." Like that he was telling. In what way we can help him? Now, see that the cat does not come near our nest. That would be enough for you and me. One day, somewhere in the muck heap lay a diamond nose jewel. The male bird picked it up and came to the nest with the shining stud in his beak and said to his wife, "Look, do you like this?" The white bird replied, "What I am to do with this diamond nose stud, or with the earrings? Find some food, the young ones are hungry." Like that, the female bird said. So the male bird dropped the diamond stud on the floor and went out in search of the food. Ramaya's wife noticed the jewel as he was sweeping the floor. She picked it up with delight and wore it. Ramaya questioned her angrily, "How would you get this diamond stud?" "I found it lying here yesterday and I took it. That's all." For that, Ramaya said, "See, this is not ours. We will go and hand over to the magistrate. If we got by the police, then they will search our house. That will be problem for us. So we will hand over this jewel to the magistrate. Like that he was telling. In Meenachi Ammal house nearby, the talk went thus. I forgot and left it in the bathroom. Kupai, the servant woman, must have swept it out. She is very careless and ignorant. The mother, Meenakshi Ammal, consoled her little girl, saying, let us search and find it out. Don't tell your father yet. If you tell, he would be enraged if he know. So we will search and find out. What is the secret you are whispering? Asked Ramanathan. The loss of jewel had to be admitted. Soon the village know about it. The maid servant Kupai was suspected and everyone to have stolen it. The police came and searched her hut but could not find nothing. Ramaya's heart was beating very fastly. Ramaya's wife put the stud in her box and soon she acted that she is having a fever and went to her bed. No one thought of searching Ramaya's house. The he sparrow said, look at the fun, my dear. The lady of this house is scared and is down with fever. Nice fun indeed. Really it is fun only. But the poor woman is in a panic. Panic means here frightened. The fever may be the end of her. And a good thing too, said the cruel male sparrow. It is all because of you only. Because you only had picked the jewel and you dropped down. Because of you only this happened. For that the male bird answered, not because of me, because of their greediness only it all happened. Rightly said. We should be never greedy for what belongs to others. Come, let us go now and bring some worms for the young ones. And the two flew out. Ramaya and his wife spent the rest of life in fear of being caught. The diamond nose jewel may still be with them, but the fear of getting caught was even more. The jewel is with them only, but the fear was killing them. When they will be caught, they don't know. So every day they are getting frightened. Today we will caught by the police or somebody like that. They are running their life with the fear only. We learned the lesson about the nose jewel. We learned fully in English. We are studying in English medium, so we go to learn only in English. But today for the convenience, because your convenience, I am going to tell the story in Tamil. Okay. Here one man is there. That man, Ramaya's house. He is living with his wife. He is அவர் வந்து அவருடைய மனைவியோட வாழ்றாரு. அவர் வந்து ரொம்ப வந்து பணக்காரர் இல்ல. ஆனாலும் வந்து என்ன பண்றாரு அப்படினா அவருடைய குடும்பத்தை வழிநடத்துறதுக்கு வந்து தேவையான இது வச்சிருக்கார். சரியா? He is take care of his family. Even though he is poor, he is take care of his family. அவங்க வீட்ல பார்த்தோம்னா ரெண்டு குருவிங்க வந்து கூடு கட்டி வாழுது. அந்த குருவிகள்ல வந்து ரெண்டு குருவியும் பேசிக்குது. அதுல வந்து ஆண் குருவி சொல்லுது, எதுக்காக வந்து இந்த ராமையாஸ் வைஃப் வந்து எப்ப பார்த்தாலும் ராமையா கூட சண்டை போட்டுக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்களே, என்னாச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. அது எதுக்கு நமக்கு, நம்ம வேலையை பார்ப்போம். நம்ம குழந்தைகளுக்கு என்ன வேணும், புழு இதெல்லாம் போய் பிடிச்சிட்டு வந்து குழந்தைகளுக்கு என்ன உணவு தேவையோ அதை மட்டும் கொடுப்போம். நமக்கு அவங்களுடைய பிரச்சனை தேவையில்லை அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த ஷீ ஸ்பேரோ வந்து சொல்லுது. அதுக்கு வந்து ஹீ ஸ்பேரோ சொல்லுது, நீ இப்படி வந்து இருக்காத, எல்லாருக்கும் வந்து உதவி செய்யணும்னு இரு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் டிஸ்கஷன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு நாள் வந்து என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, இந்த ஹீ ஸ்பேரோ வந்து புட்டை தேடி போகுது. புட்டை தேடி போகும்போது அங்க பார்த்தோன்னா ஒரு டைமண்ட் நோஸ் ஸ்டட்டும், அதாவது கம்மலும் ஒரு இது இயரிங்ஸ் வந்து இருக்கு அங்க. அதை எடுத்துட்டு வந்து கேட்குது, இது நல்லா இருக்கா, உனக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அந்த பறவைகிட்ட கேட்குது. அந்த பறவை சொல்லுது, நான் இதை வச்சு என்ன செய்ய போறேன், எனக்கு வந்து என் குழந்தைங்க வந்து பசியா இருக்குது, அதுக்கு தேவையான உணவை மட்டும் நீங்க தேடிட்டு வாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி. உடனே இந்த ஹீ ஸ்பேரோ என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா, அந்த டைமண்ட் நெக்லஸை வந்து டைமண்ட் ஸ்டட்டை வந்து கீழே போட்டுட்டு அது வந்து இறையை தேடி போயிடுச்சு. இப்போ ராமையாஸ் ஒய்ஃப் வந்து வீட்டை வந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா க்ளீன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காங்க. க்ளீன் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கப்ப அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க அப்படின்னா, அந்த டைமண்ட் ஸ்டட்டை வந்து எடுத்து பார்க்குறாங்க, ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு, அதை அவங்களே வச்சுக்கிறாங்க. அவங்க வச்சுக்கிட்டனால என்ன